You can access the values inside an array using the index of the value. An index is a number representing the position of the value in the array, starting from 0 for the first value. Why is it why does it start from 0? I do not know. But I think it's because of, due to historical reasons. It starts from way back how computers works. The binary, because 0 is 1, therefore 1 is 2. So it's perhaps due to its efficiency. It says you can access the value using bracket notation such as array with an index of 0. So we have here the console.log, and then we are to print out the value of this um element, because it's 0. Since 0 is 1, therefore 0, Naomi has the index of 0, and Quincy has the index of 1, and then Camper-chan has the index of 2. Okay, so as a review, what is an index? It is the position value of the element in the array, and array are the collections of the elements, and index or indices are used to extract the position of those elements. So we are to call in here our array stored in the variable rows, and then we since we now accessed our array called rows, we are now to extract or print out the very first element, because it's 0, and that 0, index 0, has the value of string called Naomi. So that would print out Naomi. Yep. So if we go 1, so 0, 1, it would print out Quincy, and if 2, it would print out Camper-chan. So anyways, that would be it. Nice.